In this video we will discuss about the resistance and resistivity. Now first of all, resistance is basically defined as the obstruction to flow of charge. As we know that inside a conductor the ions are at fixed position and electrons or free electrons can move anywhere inside this conductor. Also, in a small conductor, we can have a 10 raised to power 24 free electrons and they are moving with velocity of 10 to the power 5 to 6 meter per second. So that is very much large. Electrons are moving with very high speed. So they will collide with each other and this collision causes a resistance. Now, this resistance is measured in ohm. So when we can say that the resistance is said to be 1 ohm, the resistance is said to be 1 ohm if 1 volt potential difference across a conductor. अगर मेरे पास एक कंडक्टर है, इसके अक्रॉस मैं 1 वोल्ट बैटरी लगाता हूँ और उस बैटरी के साथ इसमें 1 एम्पियर करंट पैदा हो जाता है, then we can say that the resistance of this wire is 1 ohm. Now let us do the laws of resistance. Law of resistance means what are the factors on which the resistance depends. The first, resistance depends upon the length of a conductor. As we know that if you are going in the road and if the speed breakers are of longer distance, then your bike speed gets slowed down. If the speed breaker is less, then your bike speed, but it is less one. So we can say that if the length of these breakers is more or hindrance or resistance is more, then the resistance will also be more. So the resistance is directly proportional to the length. Secondly, it is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. As we know that if you want to move in a road, if the road is narrow one, then it is difficult to move with a higher speed. But if road is very broad one, then you can have a larger speed as compared to the narrow one road. So we can say that if the area of cross section of the conductor is more, then the current will be more, but the resistance is less. So that is why it is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. If you combine both the factors, so we get this much. R is proportional to L by A. If you remove this proportionality constant by introducing a constant, that constant is rho, is constant and it is known as resistivity. Resistivity is defined as the resistance when the length of the wire is 1 unit and area of cross section is also 1 unit. See from here, rho is equal to RA by L. If A is 1, L is 1, then rho will be equal to R. So resistivity or specific resistance is equal to resistance of 1 meter length wire and having area of cross section of 1 unit. So this is how we define the resistivity or specific resistance. So resistivity is measured in ohm meter. Resistivity is equal to RA upon L. Resistance is measured in ohm. Area is in meter square. Length is in meter. So after solving you will get the resistivity, the unit of resistivity, that is ohm meter. Also the resistivity or specific resistance depends upon the temperature and material of a resistor or resistance. Thanking you.